lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. And in today's video I am going to show you what I put together for a subby challenge hosted by the lovely April Olanders here in YouTube. So this is a video response to her subby challenge, and we were required to make one memory dex card. So what I did was I put together the memory dex card, and I also gifted some handmade standouts. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina, and this is a paper craft as well as an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching these videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And without further ado, let's move on to share the project with you. Wow, it's late at night and I'm recording a video response to a subby challenge hosted by April Olander in YouTube and Instagram. She reached out 1,500 followers in Instagram. And she required for us to make memory dex cards, and I'm also giving her these embellies that I put together. So let's start. What I use for the memory dex card, of course, I'm gonna move these around so I don't get too much glare here. My memory dex sponge that I bought from Theresa, Chasing Creativity, also in YouTube, and I was very lucky to have that. And as you can see, it's a lot of layering and lots of details. I'm gonna come closer here. I use Chasing Dreams 6x6 pad, and I stitch a couple of papers from the same collection, stitch more trim, glue this gorgeous little bow that was given to me in a swap, and I think the bow is upside down, but that's okay. You know, things, they don't have to be perfect. And I glue these paper flowers and also the trim, my famous trim from Walmart. Well, actually the brand is Ofray, but I buy these at Walmart and I just love it. So, and this is one of the ephemera pieces from Willow Lane collection. And what I did was I punch a hole, more of the Willow Lane little taggies, and this is confetti, crepe paper, mini tassel, and I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see better. So I glue the sequins just to give some bling bling, and I put a couple of textures here, some of these golden leaves that were given to me in a swap, and also these kind of like a half moon scallop circle. So I know there's different types of pink, kind of like different types, but I just like it that way. So, and I think, and then on the back I have my information. So this is the memory dex card, and I'm gonna come back a little bit. Confetti had like a couple of standouts, so I did my own. And again, I used Chasing Dreams 6x6 paper pad, one of the golden flower die cuts, paper flowers, and I glue it. And as you can see on this rosette, I use a trim. So I use my scissors from Paper Shapes, and this is the shape of scissors, so you guys can see. So that's why it gives that nice tiny little edge. And then on this one, this was a confetti standout, and what I did was I just glue a pink paper flower. And this one, I just love it. It's like a mini embellishment. It's like 3 banners, some of the trim from Walmart, and a little rhinestone, kind of like a butterfly. And for this one, I use these dies. They are a cutter bee, and I use this banner, and again the Walmart ribbon, and the rhinestone was I got this a couple of years ago and I'm being like hoarding it, so time to use it, right? And then I also glue some of the trim, like a golden trim that I bought at Joann's Fabric, and it's this brand. So I just love this trim. I can just use it for anything. So, oops. And then this other little mini embellishment, I use these dies, LDRS, and I use the one in the center and punch 2 butterflies with, again, Chasing Dreams paper and some glitter golden paper. I use one of my Stampin' Up's butterfly punch and use carousel papers here, and then this lovely word, it's from Maggie Holmes. It's from this collection, Maggie Holmes. So I think these turned out really cute. And in addition to that, I am also sending to April a mini sequin mix. I know. I got these gorgeous little, almost look like a dice, from the Container Store. And again, I glue one of the pink flowers, use some of my specialty paper from Hobby Lobby, and I think my camera doesn't want to cooperate. And so this is it. So these are the things that I am sending to April Olander for her challenge giveaway. And again, if you like this video, just please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.